Welcome to the HowMuch POS dashboard, your retail command center. Easily manage sales and inventory. Let's start a new order for seamless daily tasks. Products load instantly, giving you full inventory access. Explore the options menu to unleash powerful functionalities. Discover essential functions in the options dropdown. Pick Order History to instantly view all transactions and key customer data. The Order History window loads immediately, showcasing your past purchases for swift record keeping. Effortlessly sort and review all order statuses, rejected, returned, or quoted. This provides complete transaction oversight and enhanced business intelligence. In completed orders, search by order number or customer name. Instantly find specific transactions, saving valuable time. View payment method, tax, and total for every order. Get instant access to vital transaction data for accurate records and swift checks. Action buttons let you instantly preview receipts, process returns, and adjust orders. Streamline post-sale operations for enhanced efficiency and customer satisfaction. Adjust rows per page to personalize your view. Easily manage extensive order data. Exiting order history returns you to your active order. Gaining detailed insights is fast and effortless.